Hello, my name is Carl Huber. I'm the financial aid educator at the University of Minnesota Duluth. Welcome to the presentation on UMD's financial aid offer. Completing your free application for federal student aid, or the FAFSA, is the first step in determining your eligibility for financial aid, which could include federal and/or state grants, institutional scholarships, federal or state college work study, and the federal direct student loan program. Federal Student Aid has created a YouTube video on how to fill out your FAFSA. I encourage you to watch this for details on completing your FAFSA at z.umn.edu/fill-out-FAFSA. Be sure to include your UMD Federal School Code 002388 on your FAFSA application so that the FAFSA data is sent to UMD. On average, only 18.5% of UMD students are randomly selected each year for FAFSA verification by the U.S. Department of Education. If you are selected for verification, UMD is required to collect additional documentation, such as the number living in your household, the number attending college, and the income earned from your federal tax return. You will receive mailed notifications from UMD requesting initiation of your MyU website portal to determine the required documentation. Your final financial aid offer is on hold until FAFSA verification is completed. If some or all the information used to determine your initial financial aid eligibility on your FAFSA is no longer relevant, or there are extenuating circumstances that you want us to consider, UMD understands this can affect your family's ability to support your educational cost. UMD has a special circumstance appeal process to take into consideration, for example, involuntary loss of income or reduction of hours at work, loss of child support, death of a spouse or parent, or medical expenses. If any of these hardships are affecting you and your family, please contact me, the financial aid educator, or a one-stop student services counselor so we can help you with completing an appeal to determine eligibility for any additional financial aid support. How does UMD determine financial need? Like every institution you apply to, UMD uses the same formula to determine financial need. We build our cost of attendance based on tuition and fee charges, room, which is a residence hall or apartment cost, and board, which is a meal plan, personal and miscellaneous expenses, transportation cost, loan fees, books and supply cost. These costs added together build our cost of attendance to attend UMD for 1 year. UMD then subtracts our cost of attendance from the expected family contribution, or the EFC. The EFC is uniquely determined for you by the federal application for federal student aid, or your FAFSA. This equals your financial need. Financial need is met with institutional scholarships, federal and/or state grants, college work study, and the federal subsidized loan program. The financial aid offer. UMD uses the current year cost of attendance for the new students and transfer students' estimated financial aid offers. We do this because our budgets for the upcoming academic year are finalized by the University of Minnesota Board of Regents at their June meeting. A resource for understanding your estimated financial aid offer can be found at the One Stop Student Services website at z.umn.edu/FinAidHelp. On this website, a wide variety of resources are designed to help you understand your estimated financial aid offer. For example, number 1, there's a cost of attendance worksheet that can help you calculate your remaining estimated out-of-pocket cost. 2, there's a link to your Finances tab on your MyU website portal. Under the Financial Aid tab, you can view your estimated awards. 3, If the student needs to grant a third-party access, say to a parent or family member, to information on the student's record, there's a link to set up parent-guest access. Fourth, there are definitions of terms and links to resources. For example, what does estimated cost of attendance mean? What is gift aid? Where do I go to find student employment? What are my loan options? And how do I find reciprocity websites for state eligible in our in-state tuition programs? Some important dates. In preparing for the timing of the Office of Financial Aid and Scholarships Financial Aid offer, newly admitted students and transfer students for the fall who have submitted a FAFSA to UMD will be mailed to their home an estimated financial aid offer. This begins in late January and runs through mid-June. All undergraduate students receive an email notification to their UMD email account for both fall and spring semesters that their finalized financial aid offer is available in their MyU under their My Finances tab. Keep in mind, the university's official means of communicating with students is by the student's UMD email account. An action plan for financial aid includes the following things you need to do. If you're covered under the family health insurance, students, you must waive the university health insurance. You need to have your card with the name of your insurance company and your ID number. If you do not have health insurance coverage, you will automatically be enrolled in the insurance program. 2. When you get the email notification that your financial aid offer is on your MyU website portal, you need to log in to accept, reduce, or decline your federal student loans. And you need to accept or decline your federal or state college work study. Number 3, search for jobs on campus. Start by getting your resume ready and keep your eyes on what's available on UND Human Resources website. And finally, 4, if you need to apply for the Parent Plus loan or additional private loans, it's time to start looking now. Make those loan applications in late July for fall students when your finalized financial aid offer is available in your MyU website portal. One Stop Student Services is here to help. The One Stop Student Services Counselor supports student services for financial aid, billing and payment, and records and registration. If you're looking for information, for example, when is my bill due for the semester semester calendar can help at One Stop Student Services website at z.umn.edu/UMD One Stop. I know as the financial aid educator, you and your family are facing important financial and personal decisions about your education. I offer 30-minute financial aid appointments designed for admitted seniors and transfer students and their families. They are created to meet you where you are in the process, help you navigate the FAFSA, explain estimated financial aid offers, explore financial aid resources that are available, and answer any questions you might have. The link to my appointment calendar is in the center of the screen, z.umn.edu/financial aid appointment. Pick a date and time that works best for you. Specify in the description if you prefer Zoom session or would like a telephone call. I will get back to you with the appointment confirmation. You can also always contact a counselor in UMD's One Stop Student Services by email at umdhelp@d.umn.edu or phone us at 218-726-8000. Thank you for your time and welcome to Bulldog Country.